Hello everyone.
Hello.
In the last video you saw experiments with tangerine, lemon, and tomato. They lit sparklers and put them in there. It was beautiful. Do you like it?
Yes.
Lexa liked it. Lexa also experimented with water. At first, my experiment failed, but then it was possible for the sparkler to burn in the water. And now we'll do it with Coca Cola.
Cola.
Also, do not forget that you can choose any of the alphabet lore beaches. Maybe it will be X. Write in the comments. And we would stick a burning sparkler inside a plush toy. Let's make a beautiful bright show. Be sure to write which letter we will choose for experiments. From the last video, you remember that if you lower a burning sparkler into the water, it goes out. We wrapped it with duct tape, set on fire from below and shoved into the water. Everything is beautifully lit up. So this time I have already prepared with duct tape. If you haven't watched the past issues, then be sure to look.
Cola.
Beautiful smoke, but no fire. There was a reaction in Coca Cola. Amazing! I prepared another sparkler.
Бумажку надо было снять.
The label was removed from the bottle. The smoke is coming so beautifully.
Включи.
That's what happened. I managed to put a burning sparkler in Coca Cola. And it's time for The letter will be set on fire in the next video. Since this video came out long and the room stinks a lot of smoke. Bye everyone.
Bye.